Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When you judge somebody and you call them out for the wrong sitting where them do, you ever take time for think about how you would have want them for treat you if you did in a for them position? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, may go read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 6 from verse 37 to verse 42. Not judge people like say God can't pardon them. If uno do that, the same thing I go reach uno. And nobody say nobody guilty and write them off. Cause that we reach uno too. Pardon people. And uno we get pardon too. Gi and uno we get a whole heap with all brata. Uno cup a go full so till it all a run over. The way uno deal with other people, same way them a go deal with uno. And Jesus said this for teach them sitting. Blind man can lead blind man. The two of them now we drop in a one hole. Nobody will learn. No higher than them teacher. But when them don't learn, them are going to come in like them teacher. What make uno look on the sawdust in our bread eye? And uno now watch the big piece of plank in a phone own. Oh, uno fi say, my brother, make me take the sawdust out of your eye. When same time, uno no see the big piece of plank in a phone own. Hypocrite. Take the plank out of phone eye first. Then uno will see better if you take the sawdust out of uno bread eye. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.